So I just finished flipping my axle. What that means is, as you can see, let me see, where's my finger here? There, you can see the axle is attached underneath the leaf springs, whereas it before was on top of the leaf springs. So basically I raised the whole camber, and I have done that because whenever I came back from a camping trip, I always had these bends, where's my here? The stabilizers. They hit towards curbs or the entrance to gas stations and so on. So now it's raised, and that created another little problem for me. My step. See? That's I don't know, 20 inch maybe. I'm gonna try to go on a little distance here. Definitely way too much. So I have ordered another step here from Lippert with 2 steps up, and I'm gonna try and replace that. As far as I can see, it is, we have 1 screw there and 1 screw there, and the same on the other side, and that's pretty much it. So let me get this one off, and I should receive the new steps later today so we can get them on. It's just not room enough for that one. The one that goes down here. And I couldn't get that one because of the one I had to get off, so I couldn't really get the right tools in and mess around. It's still hanging in that one there. It was. And I'm gonna leave that in. I'm gonna leave that in too when I take the switch to that side here. So let's see how that's gonna go. Probably just as bad. Here we go. I can put you guys down on the ground here. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Not sure if you can see it all. Here we go. So now they're hanging in the bolts here. Here. Okay, so that's it. Get it down here. That is it. All right. And that's a new one I just received. I ordered it from Amazon warehouse, so I got it like $40 cheaper. Lippert manual radio step. Then the item number here, 432682. And see, it has 2 steps. instead of one. And of course, like many times when you order something from Amazon warehouse, there's no hardware included. So let's go and see if we can get this one in. How is it going? This way? No. Well, this is the upside here. Oops, upside. Here we go. Yeah. This one goes in the upside, and this one, and the two inner square holes is the ones I'm gonna use. All right. So let us try to. Let me stand you guys up here. Yeah. Try to get this one in. It's kind of heavy. So it does go this one up. I want to make sure. No, it's not. Go the other way around. This way. Yeah. That's the way. Now I have to hang it up. That's a problem. Because I can't carry it with one hand, and or can I? Can I? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Alright, I need both my hands here. Alright, I finally got it on. It takes 2 people, definitely. I blocked it up on these ones here, but still, I couldn't do it. I have to get some help. But from here, it works out great. 2 steps. There's actually 1 step more I want to do, because see, when you step up on this one, I don't know if you can see it, but the whole thing moves. And you can get a stabilizer to add underneath the first step here, so it don't sink down. And see, the holes is pre-drilled for that already. I'm gonna get hold of one of those, and then I'm gonna put a link at the end of this video right here to the new video. That's it. I know it was came out very different than I thought it would be. The holes did not totally match up with the older holes, even though it's another of the same brand I have sitting there. But I got it to work, and I got one more step. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.